Growth doesn't happen by accident. It takes care, attention, consistency. In horticulture, every detail matters. How you water, how you prune, how you protect what you're growing. But there's one part of the process most people don't think about. Your equipment is moving just as much as your plants are growing. And if your mobility isn't dialed in, you're losing time, efficiency, and momentum. You wouldn't ignore plant health. So why overlook the systems that support your operation? Because the truth is, your casters are part of your process. Caster Connection designs mobility solutions for real horticulture environments, from greenhouse benches to nursery carts, from hydroponic systems to large-scale growing operations. We know casters the way you know plants. Together, we'll ensure your equipment moves smoothly, reliably, and efficiently. That means less downtime, less strain on your team, and a workflow that supports growth at every level. Because when your operation moves better, your business can grow just as well as your plants. Caster Connection, built to keep your operation growing. Visit casterconnection.com to shop online or connect with a caster nerd.